Today we're attaching fireworks on the gliders. Melted it. I put it more towards the end and less tight this time, so let's see if it goes further. This one it didn't really go that far. This one went pretty far and it exploded at the end. This one I put on the ground. The fireworks on the glider wasn't really working, so I just put them on the ground. A lot of these were duds. If this video hits 100 likes, then I'll light a mortar rocket onto a glider. And for every subscriber that I gain from this short, I'm gonna launch one bottle rocket.